Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you run macOS Monterey or later, and grant shortcuts the automations and files permissions. Once done, open the Shortcuts app and click the plus button to create a new shortcut. Name it clearly so you can find it later. Add your first action by choosing from Actions or searching a keyword. This step matters because it sets the data type the shortcut will accept, and that affects how you chain subsequent actions. Now you add and configure the core actions that do the work. Drag actions onto the canvas, then connect them. Use variables to pass data, if blocks to branch logic, and repeat loops to handle lists. Make sure to set the input and output types for each step, because mismatched types cause failures. Once you assemble a section, press Run to test just that part. Iterating in small steps saves time and prevents cascading errors later. Finish by saving your shortcut and choosing how you'll run it. Assign a keyboard shortcut, add it to the menu bar, or expose it as a quick action in Finder. Once done, test full runs with representative data and adjust timing, permissions, or delays to avoid race conditions. If something breaks, enable Show while running and inspect action results and error messages. This reveals which step failed and why. Then change the action, add a wait, or handle the error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.